day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex Academy Private Limited. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at pound dollar. Pound dollar on the daily chart, you can see that it's still very bearish movement. Market has retested the previous low but did not break and close below the low price yet. Alright, head down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, likewise, you can see very closely the candle did not break and close below the low price over here, which means that the support is still standing very strong. On your 1-hour chart, this is what I have. Back to the daily chart, I'll share with you my analysis. Alright, so my analysis on the daily chart, you can see that it is a valid bullish shark pattern. So for traders who have missed this opportunity and you're waiting for a opportunity to engage for a long, the opportunity came, but you may want to wait for a day or two to make sure that the market did reverse, alright, towards your desired buying direction before engage the trade. To the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, likewise, although the market has respected the support, a reversal and break and close above the high will be much appreciated before you even think about buying opportunity. To the 1-hour chart, nothing much. Alright, so if you would like to see the follow through of this setup, join us this Wednesday on our Facebook Live at 6 or 8 p.m. Singapore time. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trail plan, and I'll see you soon on the next video.